Hi loves, welcome back. And in today's video, I am showing you how I refresh and maintain my boho braids after 1 week, from cleaning my scalp to bringing my curls back to life. And a fun fact, I have not braided my hair in 2 years. So this is the first time I'm braiding my hair after 2 years, and actually having long braids like this. It's actually been 4 years since I had long braids like these. The last time I braided my hair was probably in cornrows, and that is the go-to that I do because it is quick and simple. So this is how my braids look like after 1 week. I usually keep them tied down and I haven't taken them out after a week, so my hair is really tangled up. And the first thing I do before I add any product is to go in with my scalp and clean it thoroughly first. And of course, I'm using my wipes here, as you can see. And there is a little bit of dirt and build up, and this would just take it right off, and especially around the edges and then the patting. I am also going in with this scalp treatment called Depressing. I have seen a lot of people use it, and it wasn't in focus when I filmed. That is why I added a picture so you guys could see it clearly. I apply it directly onto my scalp whilst I'm separating the braids. And to be honest, I let it just sit for about 10 minutes. And for so far since I started using this, it helps me even with my natural cornrows that I have braided. And yeah, I've seen good reviews, I've heard good reviews about this oil, but then I've learned and read about it that it shouldn't actually be used in excess amount. So the least you use is the best, if that makes sense. So do not oversaturate your scalp with this depressant, because I don't think it was technically meant for scalp in the first place. Correct me if I am wrong. So whilst I'm waiting for 10 minutes, I decide to go ahead and start detangling my hair. So for context, I'm not using human hair. I didn't use human hair for my boho extensions, the curly hair extensions. I didn't use human hair. I think I did use an okay hair. So I went in with my Ayurveda hair oil from Dia Organics to seal in the moisture. And basically, this hair oil has been very, very, very good for me in my hair growth journey. I wear wigs a lot, so basically having my natural hairs on display all the time and cornrowed, I usually just mix my leave-in with the same Dia Organics, spray it in on my scalp with cornrows on, and then I just add the oil. And guys, it has really, really, really improved my hair journey. And yeah, so I go in with I like to use this Jeba hair deodorizer because it's not oil based and it doesn't create a lot of grease and heaviness on my scalp. And I really love the fact that it has a nice minty feel, so it makes my scalp feel fresh. I basically use this hair deodorizer each and every other day, and it doesn't weigh my hair down. So for the hair, before I get into that, um let me know if you guys want me to share a video of my relaxed hair journey. I haven't really done a lot of documentation, but I plan to do that more. So if you're interested, just drop it down in the comment section and I will, share my journey. Okay, guys. So after I massage my scalp with a nice minty feeling of this hair deodorizer, the next thing I do is I get my spray bottle, and then for the length of the hair, I lightly spray with water first. Like I soak the hair in really with water. Like I am soaking my braids with water because that is the best way to detangle this hair. Soaking it with water, but not dripping water, but it is saturated. So I go in very, 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 very well with the water. Then after the water, the next thing I do is that I mix my leave-in conditioner, which is also from the Dia Organics brand. I mix my leave-in conditioner with water. Then I go in and then spray it as well. So in the video, you're going to see that I'm using a small travel size spray bottle. I couldn't find my bigger size bottle where I mix my conditioner and leave-in. And I would advise that do not put your leave-in conditioner into travel size. bottles like this because it clogs up. It clogged up in the middle of the video, even though the solution was not so thick. I had to even switch the bottles into a new bottle, and still it was just doing the same thing. So just apply your leave-in conditioner in sections, and then you go ahead and separate again. So this is how much hair that I lost. It's not my hair though. This is how much hair that was out after I finished detangling. And then after that, another important thing that some people skip is that you have to make sure that the ends of the hair is trimmed as well, because some of the hair is going to pull out, it's going to lengthen, and then you have like the ends looking funny like this. So I just go in with a scissors, and you just I cut it off. So after this, if you want, you can add your mousse if you want, preferably, and one that is oil based for extra moisture and hold for the curls as well. And to finish, I spray a little olive oil and for shine, and basically that is it, guys. So if you really found this video helpful, please share and like, and to someone who is also trying to maintain boho braids like me. Bye.